Hey, what's up guys, Devansh here, and today we will be taking a look at the Nougat ROM for Redmi Note 3, and this is for the Snapdragon variant. Now as you can see that from the home screen, you can see that it looks very similar to the Pixel ROM, and that's it is. So actually this is the CM 14.1 but with Pixel mod on it and installed via TWRP. So it's pretty simple process to install it. I will make a video if you want me to make it, but now let's review this ROM only. And now starting with the lock screen, as you can see that it's very much similar to what we get on the Google Pixel and the Pixel XL, and it looks very familiar. Sorry. Now we can also swipe from here, and I don't think so we can reply from here. Yeah, no, I guess we can, but we need to unlock the device first. Now notifications are very much like that. Now we can dial from here as well as open camera from here itself. Now double tap home button to open the shortcut. Open the camera is also present. Let me just show you. So as you can see, it's present. Now I will talk about camera later in later part of this video. So for now let's focus on this ROM itself. Now as you can see that I have registered the fingerprint, and I guess you can tell it by this fingerprint down here. Now the moment I tap it, it opens. So it's working pretty well, but I would say it might be a bit difficult for you to register. Now secondly, now as you can see that the lock screen is pretty much similar to what we get on the the home screen, and the wallpaper is also like that only. So it looks pretty nice, but as you can see that some icons like the WhatsApp one and this studio one are not like in the circle form, just like the Play Store and YouTube one. So even other icons like the ES File Explorer, Gallery, and there are many icons which are not in circle, that like the Snapchat subscriber count, which I feel might disappoint someone, but that could be a software bug and that can be fixed in the later part. So next, now performance wise, it's absolutely fine. Now you won't face any problem while opening apps and going through apps and all that stuff. Even the loading times are pretty quick, as you yourself can see. Let me just open Snapchat for you. Now performance on this device is actually pretty good, you can't complain it. But there is a bug, like sometimes it happens just for no reason. I was using Studio or the YouTube, and 2 to 3 apps were just open in the background, and then when I pressed the home button and I came to home screen, it stuttered for 10 to 15 seconds, not 10 to 5 to 10 seconds, and after that it was smooth. And even the games like Bullet Force, Rocket Ball and the Temple Run 2 are working very well, I would say. Now as you can see, I have installed a whole bunch of apps, still its performance is absolutely fine. Now let me just show this to you. As you can see that quick settings are just like that, and I obviously like it. Now expanding, same like the Nougat one, and the pixel area is also this notification area is also like that. Now moving towards the settings, so as you can see that settings is also like that, and I definitely like it a lot. I mean, I just got Pixel onto my Redmi Note 3. So yeah, Android version is 7.1.1, pretty great. Cyanogen mode 14.1 as I told you earlier, and device name Redmi Note 3 and all that stuff. Now you can, as this is Cyanogen mode, so it comes with a lot of options, but I guess I installed Pixel mod on it, so theme option actually got removed, and it must be available on the Lineage OS, I guess, which is also released for this Redmi Note 3, I would say. Now as you can see, these are the settings, looks very much familiar to the Google Pixel. Now let's talk about the camera, and after that we will talk about the shortcuts. So as you can see that this is the camera. Now let me just take a photo. Let's take a photo of this keyboard, and let's try to get bokeh effect out there. So as you can see that it snapped photo, and guys, trust me, I don't know if you can notice it. Let me just bring it closer to the camera. And guys, as you can see that the picture is actually very good. I'm viewing it on my Redmi Note 3 and it looks very good, but it takes some time to click picture. Now if you are using Redmi Note 3 from a long time, then you might know that it snaps picture very quickly. Like the moment you tap, it clicks. But here, as you can see that there was a bit of lag, and it's okay because it's not official bit, but hopefully they will fix it in the future updates. Now moving towards the front facing camera, it also works, but as you can see that it takes time, or sometimes it crashes, but it's very rare. It's, as you can see, it opened. Now let's take a selfie, and obviously you can't see me. So as you can see, it works. Gallery also works. Again, this photo looks stunning. So it's working, but there are definitely a lot of bugs. Not a lot of, some bugs which will definitely be fixed within 1 to 2 updates. Now let's talk about that kind of a force touch feature. Now as you can see, the moment I force touch on the YouTube or long press on YouTube, 3 tabs open, like trend, subscription, search. Now the moment I tap to subscription, it will take me to the subscriptions. And so okay, so BSNL, and it is gonna take a lot of time to load, so I am just gonna back. Now these hardware buttons are not working from default. I don't know why, but thank god they are not working. And this back button, home button, and the multitasking button are there, and which are working super fine, and I like it. Now Google Assistant is not there. I don't know why Google Assistant is not there. Man, come on. It was there at the CM page, XDA page. I don't know. So guys, that was my review of this, and overall I would say it works very well. If you want to install it, go ahead, install it. It's very simple. But if you still want me to make a video, I will definitely make it, as I already promised. The video which I promised, I definitely make it. If you are following me from a long time, you might know that. So do let me know in the comments and give this video a like, and I will be making a video on that for sure. But still, if you want to install it, install it. It's a very good daily driver, but be ready for bugs 85 to 95% of the time. And the bugs are just like when I came back from camera or the YouTube, I guess, then the home screen take a second to come back. So that these are just the bugs, I would say. So be ready for that if you are installing it, and it's pretty functional, and this ROM is pretty fast, I would say. Yeah, but for Indian users, unfortunately Geo is working, but whereas Geo VoLTE is not working, so I have to use this Geo Join application to call. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's see if we can get 20 thumbs up on this video. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is Devansh, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.